This is the story of Shashikant. He has been a disabled boy with mental retardation and Down syndrome. He has been a differently abled boy with Down syndrome, mental retardation, and deformities. His bathing, toileting, dressing, feeding of food done by his mother. He has no emotions, never seen any kind of attachment to anyone. He underwent a spiritual training course with the Yogi Mohan Foundation, a Hindu science practiced with Vaikalya Nivarana Shastra, a traditional spiritual process of Hindu science. The changes of Shashikant is miraculous. He got a consciousness in 5th day. His mental retardation has been disappeared. Now he started to understand everything like a child. He started to eat self. He started to drink water in a bottle, the very first time in his life. Now he is healthy, normal boy. He is going for a walk and is regular now. Now he is eating with the entertainment of taste and smell of the food. He started to do day by day activities. Now he is undergone a training with the furnishing staff. He is capable to do any job now. He entertains in it. Now he has no fear to walk through a staircase. Earlier he does not. Various martial arts he practiced during this period as part of the developmental process. With the different persons, it creates body health. He has been disabled. His left side and hands were not healthy enough, but now he is. As part of the skill development, enough training were given to domestic works too. Various kind of trainings given with appropriate fellows with the sound and music. Storytelling, group discussion, and different ways of approaches to understand and learning was provided. English and speech also developed during this period. He observes everything curiously. Chanting of Veda mantras are one of the major part of this approach. He is well enough to manage a purchase section with a supermarket. Now he knows to pay his bill. He ordered himself in a standard restaurant for his own cuisines. Eating with a spoon and fork in a public restaurant is the first experience for him. His story starting with disabilities and retardation. Now he is free from all deformities and disabilities. Shashikanth is starting his run to the life. We wish him all success. The Hindu Science.